Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 2, lesson 2. Today's lesson is doubles. So open your math book, page 61, and let's work.
Emily and Carlos have the same number of toys. How many toys could each of them have? How many toys do they have in all? You can use cubes to help.
So when we say Emily and Carlos have the same number of toys, that means I have the same number twice. If Emily has 2 toys, that means Carlos has 2. If Emily has 5, that means Carlos has 5. When you repeat the number, we call it doubles because the same numbers in this box, it's the same numbers in the other box. That means double. So if we think that Emily has 2 toys, and Carlos has 2, that means double 2, which is 2 plus 2. Let's watch our video.
This is a doubles fact. 2 plus 2 equals 4. How do you know when the cubes show a doubles fact? The number of blue cubes is the same as the number of green cubes. How do you know when an addition equation shows a doubles fact?
When your 2 addends are the same. So that's called doubles facts, that the addend 1 and the second addend are the same. So we can see the blue cubes, we have 2, and in the green cubes, we have 2. So it's the same addition or same addend. That means double facts for 2.
The addends are the same. How does the picture show this is a doubles fact? Every cube in this group has a partner in this group. This is not a doubles fact. 2 plus 1 equals 3. How do the picture of the cubes and the equation show that this is not a doubles fact?
We decided if it's a doubles fact means my 2 addends are the same. I have the same number, same in addend 1 and same in addend the second addend. So if you look at the first addend, the blue cubes, they have 2. But for the green cube, I have only 1. So that's not a doubles fact because it's not the same numbers.
Every cube does not have a partner. The addends are not the same. Let's look at this doubles fact. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Saying 1 plus 1 is the same as saying double 1. So, double 1 is 2. Think of doubles when both addends in an equation are the same.
Now you know what doubles are and how to make them.
It's like when you mirror a number, or when you look at a mirror and you have 2 fingers up or 5 fingers up, you know that you have the double, the same numbers in addend, same, each number have a partner.
Is 6 plus 4 a double? Explain.
Well, if I want to draw my equation, that might help. My first addend 6, so I'm going to put 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My second addend 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know that it's not a double because as you see, not all my counters get partner or pairs. I have two that they don't have. And I also, when I look my equation, I can see that one addend gets 6 and the other addend 4. But I know the important fact to say that this is your doubles, that both addends are the same, either 6 plus 6 or 4 plus 4. So this is not a double. Okay, write the sum for each double. 4 plus 4. I see my 4 counters. The first row and the second row, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's go for that. Second equation. I have 2 rows of purple counters and they both are the same. I see that each counter or each cube have a partner. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second row, it has to be 5 because I can see that both are the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So now I'm going to write 5 plus 5. Double 5, 10. Awesome. Easy. Let's go for number 3. 1, 2, 3. The first row, the first addend is 3. The second addend the same, 3. So this is my first addend, 3, plus the second addend, 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So double 3 is 6. And I can put that sum in the beginning. Number 4, 2 plus 2. So that's my equation. Double 2. So double 2 is 2 plus 2 equals, very good, 4. All right. So that's your turn to have fun and practice and put all the information that you learned doing exercise 63, page 63 and 64. Learning about doubles, that means your both addends are the same, so you have the same numbers in both addends, and that's what we call doubles fact. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 2, lesson 3. If you remember the previous lesson, we covered doubles, and we learned that doubles is when you have the two addends with the same numbers. So if you have in the first addend number 4, you're going to have the second one 4, and we would call it this doubles or double 4. So double facts when your two addends are the same. Today we're going to use the double facts to learn something new, near doubles. Let's start. So please open your book, page 65. Let's see what we have here.
Look at these addition problems. 3 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 4. How are they alike? How are they different? Sort them into 2 groups and write them in the buckets.
Okay, I can see that I have some of my equations or the addition problems show me doubles. So I have 3 plus 3, that's double 3. 2 plus 2, double 2s. 4 plus 4, double 4. So these are doubles that my two addends are the same. But I also have 3 problems that show something different. 4 plus 5, that means one of the addends is 4, other is 5. It's one more extra or one more. I can see this also in that problem 2 plus 3. And I can see it also in 3 plus 4. So let's watch our video.
You can use a doubles fact to solve a near doubles fact. What is a doubles fact?
It is an addition fact in which two addends are the same. What do you think a near doubles fact is?
As we see, the near doubles fact that one addend will be one more. So we have one more than the first addend.
It is an addition fact in which the two addends are 1 or 2 apart. An example is 4 plus 5 equals. Let's look at how to add this near doubles fact. First, you double the 4. Why do you use the doubles fact 4 plus 4 equals 8 to add 4 plus 5? One reason is because it is an addition fact you already know.
Knowing doubles facts can help you solve near doubles facts.
4 and 1 more is 5. So 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 4 and 1 more. So you have 8 and 1 more. 8 and 1 more is 9. 4 plus 6 is 4 plus 4 and 2 more. Which doubles fact can help you find 4 plus 6?
Select your answer.
Eight is the sum of 4 plus 4. How do you know that 4 plus 6 is 2 more than 4 plus 4? 6 is 2 more than 4, so the sum of 4 plus 6 is 2 more than the sum of 4 plus 4. So add 2 to the doubles fact 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 and 2 more is 10. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now you know what near doubles are and how to add them using doubles facts.
So for these two examples, we have 4 plus 4, so you know double 4s. And since we know double 4 is 8, so when I add 2 more for my second addend, that's mean 8 and 2 more, or 8 plus 2. So when I count 4 plus 6, I can say that 4 plus 4 or doubles 4 or 8 and 2 more, so 8 plus 2 is 10. And in the previous example, when we have that 4 when we say 4 plus 5 or 4 plus 6, so you add one more. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and then you have one more, so 2 plus 3 is 5.
How does knowing 3 plus 3 help you find 3 plus 4?
Well, I know that 3 I know, for example, that 3 plus 4 is one more than 3 plus 3. So I know my doubles, since I know my doubles, that 3 plus 3 equals 6. And one more, that means 7. So 3 plus 4 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay. Let's see more practice. Use a double fact to find each and near double fact. So we need to use a double fact to help us to answer and have the sum or the total for the near double facts. 2 plus 3. I will know that this is 2 plus 2. I know 2 plus 2 or double 2 is 4. And then my second addend here is one more. So 1 more than 4 is 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's go for the second one. Again, I know 2 plus 4 equals. So I know that my double 2 is 4, which is 2 plus 2. So if I go for my double to help me have the right answer, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now I know that my second addend, it's 2 more. So 2 more than 4. 2 more than 4 means 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. So in this practice or in this lesson, we use the doubles fact to find the near doubles fact. I see that how many more that the second addend, is it 1 or 2? And that's near doubles. All right, I will leave you first graders with the rest of the activities to practice using back your previous lesson information about doubles that will help you to answer near doubles. All right, that's it for today. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 2 in today's lesson number 4. Please open your math book, page 69. Today's lesson's facts with 5 on the 10th frame. We've been learning lots of new things for this topic. We learned how to use doubles, near doubles. We also learned how to count by adding on using the line frame. Today, we're going to use something new, facts with 5 on a 10 frame. Let's start. So this is our 10 frame. Let's see what we have here.
Use the stamp tool to place some counters on the 10 frame. Write an addition equation to match the red and yellow counters. Tell how a 10 frame helps you add.
So it's still another strategy for addition, another way, another method to use different tools to add. So we're using 10 frames. Let's say, I want to say 5 plus 4 equals. I'm going to use my 10 frame. So I'm going to use 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm placing each counter in one square. And I'm going to use different color for my second addend, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first row of my 10 frames, I placed 5 because that was my first addend. And my second addend is 4. So I used yellow counters at the bottom here for 4. So now I can easily count. I know I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see my 10 frames. I filled 9 squares in my 10 frames. So 5 plus 4 equals 9.
You can use a 10 frame to show an addition fact with 5. How would you show 5 plus 3 equals? Start with 5. How can you show 5 in the 10 frame? Put 5 counters in the top row. Then add 3 more. Look at the 10 frame now. How many counters are in the top row?
Select your answer.
5.
There are 5 counters in the top row. How many counters are in the bottom row?
3, which is the second addend in my equation.
There are 3 counters in the bottom row. How many counters are there in all?
We'll add them all together. I have 5 in the first row. I'm gonna count on 6, 7, 8.
There are 8 counters in the 10 frame. So 5 and 3 more are 8. How does the 10 frame help you see the addition fact 5 plus 3 equals 8? It breaks the sum up to show 5 and 3 more. How does making 5 help you use a 10 frame? Making 5 in the 10 frame makes it easier to see how many more are needed to make 10. It is easier to look for empty frames in one row than in 2 rows. The 10 frame shows another addition fact. You have 8. Make 10. 2 boxes are empty. Add 2. When you add 2, you make 10. How does the 10 frame help you see the 10 fact? It breaks the number up to show how many more make 10. 8 plus 2 more is 10. How does the 10 frame show 8 plus 2 equals 10?
We had the rows with 8, and then we had 2 more to make 10.
There are 8 red counters and 2 empty spaces, which is 10 altogether. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now you have learned how to show addition facts on a 10 frame.
All right.
How does a 10 frame help you add 5 plus 4?
Well, I know if I have the 10 frame, let's draw the 10 frame. So this is my 10 frame, and I can put 5 counters in the first row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I know that I need to add 4. I'm going to use different colors. I'm going to add 4 more. So now it's easy for me to see that the first row get 5 counters, and then I add 4 more for the second row. That it's 9, because I know that this is a 10 frame and I only have 1. I have only 1 empty box. All right, look at the 10 frames, write an addition facts with 5. Then write an addition facts for 10. So it's like 2 equation or 2 question in 1. So this is your 10 frame. What do we have? 5 plus 2. This is the first row, 5, and the second row, 2. So 5 plus 2 equals together 7. Now I have 7, and I need to reach 10. This is the second part of your question. Write an addition fact for 10. I want to have 10 frame. So what do I have total now? 7. How many empty box? How many empty square that I need to fill? 1, 2, 3 in order to have 10. So 7, that's what the counters I have, plus 3 equals 10. Let's go for the second one. What do we have? in the first row, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my 5. How many in my second row? 1. So I'm gonna add 1. So 5 plus 1 total 6. Now I have 6 and I need to fill my 10 frames. I'm going to have my first addend, which is 6. And I'm going to look for my empty box. How many empty box or empty square in my 10 frame in order to make 10? We use 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 empty box or 4 empty squares. So 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have my 10 frames full. All right. Now this is your turn to do exactly what we did. Look at the 10 frames. Write an addition fact was 5. That's mean 5 plus how many in the second row. And then after that, you're gonna use your total and add the missing number or the missing empty boxes in your 10 frame in order to have 10. So first one, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first row. Second row, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now I'm going to put 8 here. 8 plus how many empty box, how many empty square? If I fill them, I will have my 10 frame 1, 2. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Over here, I have the first row 5. How many counters or stamps do I have in my second row? Nothing. So 0. So 5 plus 0 equals, very good, 5. Now, how many do I need? How many counters or how many stamps do I need to put in my second row to have total 10? I know my first row is 5, and I need to fill my second row with the 5 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity, page 71 and 72. Thank you, first graders. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 2, today's lesson, lesson 5. In the previous lesson, we learned about the 10 frames and how to use the 10 frames in order to help you have right addition. So that was another strategy for addition. We also learned about doubles and near doubles and how can I use doubles to answer near doubles. Today, we're going to learn about add in any order. Want to find out, does it make difference? If I change the addend and I put the first one on the second, let's find out.
Write an addition equation for the green and yellow cubes in each cube tower. How are the addition equations the same? How are they different?
All right, let's see what we have here. For the first equation, let's count how many green cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 green cubes plus 2 yellow cubes. So total 5, 6, 7. Total 7 cubes. All right. For the second example, I have the yellow cubes first. I need to start with the yellow cubes. So how many we have? Still 2. Count out how many 5 we have. How many green cubes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Awesome. So as we see, I have that same addend and my total or the sum is still the same, but I have them in different orders. For my first example, I started with the green cubes first. So I put 5 plus 2. But for my second problem or the second equation, I use the yellow cubes first. And I say 2 plus 5. But as you see, answer is still the same. My sum, my total, still the same.
Addends are the parts of an addition equation that are added. This cube train shows 4 red cubes and 2 blue cubes. 4 and 2 are addends. What is the sum of the addends? The sum is 6. You can change the order of the addends. The sum is the same. The cube train on the top shows 4 red cubes and 2 blue cubes. That shows 4 and 2 is 6. What does the cube train on the bottom show?
2 plus 4. Same addend, but in different order.
The bottom train shows 2 blue cubes and 4 red cubes. That shows 2 and 4 is 6. How are the trains different? How are they alike? The order of the cubes is different. They are alike because they have the same number of cubes. You can write 2 addition equations. Do they show the addends and sum? How are the addition equations different?
They are the same numbers, but in different orders. And I can see that the sum or the total, same.
Yes, the equations show the addends 4 and 2, and the sum 6. The addends are in a different order. Look at the addition facts. Do they show the same addends and sum? Yes, the same numbers are shown in a different order. You see 4 plus 2 equals 6, and also 2 plus 4 equals 6.
You have just learned that when you change the order of the addends, the sum remains the same.
Very good.
How can you use cubes to show that 5 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 5?
Well, if we use the cubes and we put the 5 counters, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, red. I'm going to use 3 counters. So that's my train, 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. My sum is 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I start with 3 yellow counters first, and then I add the 5 counters, the red one, do you think my answer will be the same? If I say 5, I say start with 3 first, so I say 3 plus 5 equals 3, and I'm adding the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that I didn't change the number of the counters, I only changed the order. So instead of starting with the red counters, I started with the yellow counters, but I still have the same numbers, 3 in yellow and 5 in red. So 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. All right, let's do this together. Color to change the order of the addends, then write the addition equation. So first one, we have 3 blue counters and 4 orange counters. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now I'm going to start with my orange counters. So let's count the orange. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second would be the 3 blue. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start with my 4 counters. First, the red plus the 3 blue. My answer, the sum, the total remain the same. Over here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 purple counters or cube and 1 green. So 4 plus 1, I know 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now I'm changing the orders of the addends, so I'm starting with the 1 green first. So let's color it green. And then color the other 4 counters purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 1 plus 4 equals, very good, 5. So I did my equation starting with the 3 blue and then adding the 4 orange. The next one, I added the 4 orange first, then I added the 3 blue. So as we see that when we change the order of the addends, our answers or the sum or the total remain the same. Okay, so that's your turn to do this exercise, page 75 and 76. So what we have here, write the sum. Well, then change the order of the addends, write the new addition equations. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, what are we going to do? This is my answer. I'm going to start now changing the order of my addends. So I'm starting with the 3, putting down the 3 plus the 2. Do you think my answer will be the same or will be changed? My answer remained the same. My sum, my total, still 5, because all what I did, just change the order of my addend. All right, first grader, that was today's lesson, how to have simple addition by changing the order of your addends. Thank you.